So we are here. I'm just going to start talking just so you wonder what we're doing. So today we're at Donington racetrack. This is an epic event. So we're here with PHDRIFT, which you've seen does like the drift workshop days at like Teesside. I've been lucky to actually get on to doing like drift passenger laps at Donington. So I'm with Alana. Obviously we're just going to go out and test the car. First time in the car as well, which will be exciting for her. Basically what the track is, which you'll see, is just kind of, we've got a big straight and then we've got cones and we can do like mangy and do whatever really. There's two sides we can run to at a time, so there's going to be a lot of people wanting to jump in the car. And then they said possibly at the end of the day we might be able to open it up a little bit and use the bottom corner, which would be really cool. But yeah, it'd be nice. Not drove the car for a little bit, so it'd be nice to give it a little bit of a nice run. And we're at Donington, which you can't pay to come on here. Like, you just have to be one of them people that I guess is allowed, which we are fortunate enough to be that. So really cool. Hopefully get some clips of people being passengers and stuff. So yeah, I'm very excited. And we got to camp last night, which is really cool. The windows over there, you can't see it, but just really good vibes. This is like what drifting's about, like just fun, relaxed sort of stuff. I mean, I'm still like stressed Lucas because I'm driving, but generally it's for relaxing stuff, and it's here to be like an enjoyable event. So we'll kind of jump to driving now because this is chilling for a bit. But
I think Yoga's trying to show us what to do.
Yeah, I think he's just sort of testing, I guess, the cone spacing and stuff like that, I'd guess. But so Alana had to jump out just because she didn't have a waiver thing, which we didn't realise, but she'll obviously jump back in a bit. But this will be my practice lap. See how the car feels. That feels well loose. So slippy. It's crazy, the tyre pressure is really high, so I've got to try and get used to that. That was tricky. That one was the first lap, pretty slippy. We'll see how this one goes and then I'll go from there if I need to adjust pressures or not. It just seemed like he wanted to do a burnout, which obviously I don't want it to burn out because the tyres will shred. So I need to get like that nice balance, but I don't want it to be like too much PSI where I'm like trying to like gently be on throttle and then just sort of going nowhere, if that makes sense. So. Yo, so back for context. So we had them like practice runs. We got 2 of them, which kind of went a bit meh, if I'm honest with you. We had like a 45-minute break because Drift Pro was on, and now we're basically jumping into passenger laps. So this will be interesting. I was told it's not too light, don't worry, because obviously I've not done to what I'd hoped to have gone, but everyone's kind of struggling setting up cars, to be fair. They've kind of struggled with sorting tyre pressures out and stuff, so it's not just me that's having a shambles. It's a joint thing, so should be good. Even like waiting to go is pretty cool. So you get to watch everyone else going. It's just like, behind the fence is cool, but when you're here, it's like wow. Like, I get excited when I'm driving.
Excellent. Oh, that is mental.
Are there any track driving or anything yourself, or?
No. Yeah, I never got into it, but.
Okay.
How many sets of tyres do you go through a day?
Depends on conditions, really. You can fly through like 12 quite easily, though. It's fucking, yeah. Them tyres are probably not far from dead now. How did you find that anyway?
Oh mate, nice, lovely.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Oh, thank you very much. What's your name?
It's Lucas.
Nice one, mate.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's nice being able to share this with people because it's wow.
We are filtering the traffic as well, bro. So
okay.
if you don't want to just sit and keep piling up,
right, thank you very much.
Short enough, mate, just jump in it, bro.
Okay. What BMW have you got?
1 Series.
Okay, cool. You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, which one is it?
It's only a 116.
Okay, how'd you find that though? Is it good?
Yeah,
What it is,
it's
yeah.
good, yeah. Could do with a bit more power, like.
Yeah. I think no matter what you drive, you're always like, I want more power.
Yeah.
It's a never-ending thing, I think. I'm sure there's some guys here with like the guy behind us revving with the V8s, but like, I want more. Still got power windows though, so it's not full race car.
Yeah. Fastest thing I've been in is the Ventador SVJ.
Yeah, this probably won't be as fast as that, unfortunately. Might be a little bit underwhelming now. Here we go, mate. vibrations would send it out of gear then. How'd you find that?
Good, yeah.
Yeah?
So that's a bit easier than my car.
Yeah. She's still a handful.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Enjoying myself then. That was fucking wicked. Windows
Do my
up.
window up. Thanks.
There we go. Can we go?
Stay on the pad.
You ready?
Stay drifting. For me.
I get so hyped, you know, when I'm doing
I
that.
am scared.
So I go into the pit, I will need to check tyres. Oh.
No more. That was fucking beautiful.
Jonathan James at the 119.9 Clubman, so that lead from him up to 11th place on the board, putting him second in Clubman class.